umaga! Happy Monday! Cold Monday morning. Kape. Namiss ko yung kape natin. Ba't paubos na yung coffee beans namin? Kailangan mag-shopping. Gusto ko munang i-enjoy yung kape ko because ang dami-dami nating labahin. Like, gakabundok, literal. Sorry? You can what? Sarap ng kape. Buyag-buyag. Huh?
So it's not messy.
Okay.
For you, so you don't have to do it.
Oh, baby, you're so sweet. Thank you. She said she's gonna change her pajamas and she will fold it so it's easier for me. Ay, nako. Saan nabibili ang ganitong anak?
Oh, look, I will. If I'm 5, you change your folding to rolling.
Rolling, okay.
Yes, that's a good idea.
That's a good idea,
Oh,
yeah.
I can do the rolling
Yeah.
and the washing.
You will do washing too?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I'm only 5.
Okay, when you're 5. Alright.
It's a bit long.
You have to pull it up.
When will I pull it? I'll pull it
No, the waist.
down.
That's okay. We'll figure it out tonight. Leave it on there, okay? You're wearing it again tonight.
Okay.
It's very beautiful. Oy, girl. May sasabihin sana ako, girl, pero nakita niyo man ang camera, guys. Someone wants to say hi to the guys. Say hello, guys. Look at my little leggers. Look at my leggers. Are you wearing leggings? Are you wearing leggings today, beautiful? Sus, kabuyag ni Inde. Relaxing siya dyan, oh. You're relaxing. Are you relaxing? Yeah. Yan, nagamitin mo yung seat para tumubo na yung buhok mo sa likod, bebe. Para tumubo na yung buhok mo sa likod. Kaya siya nawawala ng buhok sa likod, guys, kasi lagi siyang nasa bouncer. Alright, guys, let's take care of this. Apakadami. Ilang loads kaya ito? I need to do laundry, guys. Look at our laundry heaps. I know. Sabi ng mga bata, oh my God.
Alright. You got $2 and I got $1. I didn't find it. I didn't find it.
Oh my gosh, apakadami. Yars. But, ang magandang balita dito, after ko tong labhan lahat, pwede ko na i-declutter yung mga summer stuff ni Indy because it's officially cold in Australia. Officially. South Australia. Adelaide. Adelaide. You found the remote? Yung TV namin dyan, hindi nag-work. I don't know what's happening.
I did the other one.
Did you finish it?
Yes.
Oh, good job. All right.
I just found on here.
Oh, you found, where was it?
In one of the cupboards.
Okay, that's all right.
I know plastic one, but I'm not touching.
I'll just leave it there because I don't want to lose it again. I just need to do this.
Mommy, Princess Holly.
Yo, Princess Holly. All right, let me just do this.
I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate. I know you're riding away. Is there room for us both on the same wave? Nothing breaks so clearly when there's love on the line. My best friend told me someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh, why would I when you were barely.
Are my kids being good kids?
Yeah.
Are you drawing?
Yes, it is him.
Good job,
I'm
guys.
showing him.
Who's that?
Sky?
Is it Sky?
Indy can be Sky, you can be Sky. Because I'm going to have a Sky birthday.
Yeah. Oh, a Sky birthday
I
na.
am a fire boy. Oh,
Fire boy. Okay. Good job, guys.
Just got these.
Yan yung binili namin sa Costco. Oops! That's okay. Yan yung binili namin sa Costco. Nagamit nila to sa ano na, Kempinski na resort. Kasi hindi, yeah, you put the lids back, Alo, so you don't lose it. You've got 2 lids here, mate. Put the lid back. Same color as the bottom, okay? Good job. And Indy is happy there. Indy! Yes! Kagwapa sa aming Indy! Indy! And Daddy's having lunch. He said he needs a holiday.
Wow.
He is exhausted already. Work catch up, girl. Work catch up. Gusto ko nang i-put away yung aking mga nabili sa Bali. Kaya lang mamaya kakatapos ko lang din. Hindi ko. Sabihin ko sana kakatapos ko lang mag-lunch. Meron pa pala. Meron pang natira doon. Ang gusto ko mag-edit para malaman ko na kung ano yung hatol natin. Bagong camera or ano. Kasi feeling ko, yung audio, nasisira siya kapag galaw-galaw ako. Pero kapag naka-steady lang kanyang ganyan, okay lang siya. Sa previous vlog na na-edit ko. Pero hindi pa natin alam. And I'm on my second load of laundry as well. And I think I will do 4 loads today. So hindi yan matatapos kasi yung drying, ang tagal. In-on ko yung dryer after ng 2 loads kasi malaki yung dryer namin. So 2 loads ng washing, kasya sa isang load ng dryer. So after ng second load, ilagay ko siya sa dryer. Tapos i-on ko na yung dryer, but that will take 4 hours something. So baka bukas na yan matapos. Ngayon, apakadami nating laundry. Bukas, apakadami nating tupi. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my God. Tapos Wednesday, school na si ate. Kaya natin to. Oh, I need to buy Ayla blue pants because she will be wearing pants and jumpers now in school.
Got jumpers, Abby?
Huh?
Do you wear jumpers?
Yeah, school jumpers. She's got school uniform jumpers. I just need the pants because the pants. Yeah.
Should run off tonight though, when I'll stay home.
Sorry. Yeah, I can do that or tomorrow.
Or tomorrow?
Yeah. After my appointment. Yeah, tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. Maybe. Yeah, maybe I'll leave early tomorrow. Nana's coming here tomorrow. Is that a good idea?
Nana's coming here tonight, yeah, so.
Yeah. Yeah. Is it? Is it? Balik na naman si Dan sa taas. Ano, sa bahay lang siya ngayon kasi wala siyang mga appointments na pinabook today, but he has a lot of work. Catch up na mga work. Pero bukas, feeling ko sa labas na yan siya bukas. Hindi ko alam kung mag-grocery shopping si Dan. Kasi pag nag-grocery shopping niya, madadala niya tong dalawa. Gusto ko sana, wala silang dalawa kapag nag-haul ako ng mga nabili ko sa Bali. Ang hirap mag-haul. Kasi balik, no iPad, no phone, sa bahay na talaga. Alam nila eh. So, pagka-uwi namin, alam na nila na hindi na pwede yung iPad. Kasi nakakasingit sila ng iPad sa holiday. Very minimal pa din, pero nakaka-iPad kasi yung daddy, oh, they deserve it. They've been really good. And tama naman, they deserve it. Kasi ang bait-bait nga naman nila sa holiday. So, nakaka-iPad ng mga 20 minutes before bed. Pero hindi araw-araw. So, again, it was very minimal. And it was good. It was really good actually. I really liked it. Pero kapag lumalabas kami, wala talagang iPad. And I liked it. I liked it. Oh, Nani's looking after you guys because I just need to go out for a bit. Oh, Daddy's working. Daddy's gonna be out and about tomorrow, I'm pretty sure.
And then his name was good.
Daddy, oh, Nani will see your boo-boo, yes. Alright, you guys draw there. Mommy's just gonna do a little bit of work while Indy's happy. Is that a good idea? Thank you, guys.
He's happy. He's happy.
Okay. Guys, it's 3:20 ng hapon. Ngayon pa lang ako makaka-haul. Kanina ko pa yan gustong i-open. But a lot has happened and still happening. Hindi ko na mabilang kung ilang beses ako nag-vacuum ngayong araw. But that's okay. That's okay. Life is good. Life is good all the time. Alright. I-haul na natin to kasi gusto kong kumain ng salmon chips. I wanna eat salmon chips. After ko to gawin, put away na naman! So, ito yung mga nabili natin sa Bali. Ay, nakakainis talaga yung microphone block. Nakakainis. Alright. Guys, no fighting please. Hello, no fighting. Someone's calling me.
It's the Addie Eons. Hello guys, my mom was calling someone and hello. Mom is in no touches. Scotty Ben. It's Scotty Ben. It's a monster. What? Who is it?
Tita Rich is calling. Alright, makamaya na lang tong
I
ating...
did it.
Kahapon.
And my hair dried.
Yeah.
What happened to Ate Isla's hair?
It does all
It's purple.
and pink and black and black
You have very long hair.
and
You're going off.
thank you. And thank you.
Nasa siya? Balik na rin ko, babe.
I know.
Ako ito.
Yeah. Gahapon may balik. 11 ang flight. Kay school naman ni sa Ayla. Ini ka kuan. Wednesday.
Did you enjoy Bali, guys?
Yes.
Enjoy Bali?
Mom,
Swimming.
my baby stop.
Was it the best holiday ever?
Did you behave? Did you guys behave?
Yeah.
Who was the best kid in Bali?
Oh, which one?
Me.
Is it Alo?
Yes.
And who was the best baby?
Indy.
Indy was the best baby too.
Good job.
No crying? No crying?
Yes.
Still crying.
Ow.
How about Alo?
No.
Are you crying for Alo?
Yes, go for me. I'm sorry.
Why are you always crying, Alo?
I hurt my teeth.
You hurt your teeth.
He had blood there.
Mm. Mm. Sobrang sarap. Salmon skin, guys. Tumawag si Miss. Nakapag-edit pa ako habang kinakausap niya yung mga bata. Meron lang akong 7 minutes na clip na natira sa inedit ko kanina eh. So, tinapos ko yun. And then ngayon nag-uusap pa din sila ng kids. So, cleanose ko yung door at mag-haul tayo. So, thank you Tita Rich for looking after my kids. Let's do this haul. So, kanina hindi ko na napigilan talaga. Kumain na talaga ako, guys. Hindi ko naubos yung lunch ko kasi hindi ko masyadong bet yung lunch. So, I had a snack. This one, yung favorite kong salmon skin. This is so good. As in, tas hindi siya nakakaumay. Seriously, mauubos ko to guys ng isang kainan lang. Ang sarap. And because nasimulan na natin to, let's start with this bag. Shall we, guys? Shall we? We got this from the grocery shop dun sa Beach Walk na mall. So sa basement nila, meron silang grocery dun. Dun ko to nabili. Ay, no joke! No joke. Joke lang ang lahat. I got this from Krishna. Yung sa Samasta Village, yung sa labas talaga ng Movenpick Resort, mayroong Samasta Village, mayroong Krishna Souvenir Shop dun ko to nabili. Kasi mas mura actually siya compared sa grocery dun sa Beach Walk. Siguro ibang brand, kasi yung nakita ko, mas maliit nito, tapos 27 ata, mas maliit nito guys. So ito malaki na, 30,000. So 30,000 is $3. So, bumili ako niyan na, ilan yung binili ko? Isa. 5. So, yan yung pang-5. Merong 4 dito. Because again, I love it so much. This is so good, you guys. Pag nagpunta kayo ng Bali, please, itry nyo. Try nyo lang isa, tapos balikan nyo kung gusto nyo. Bumili kayo marami. That's what I did. So, that's that. And then from Krishna again, I got sweet potato chips. Now, I only got one kasi hindi ko to na-try. Yun yung problema eh. Dapat pagdating nyo ng Bali, mag-grocery shop kayo, bili kayo pa isa-isa at try nyo lahat. Tapos, kung ano man yung magustuhan nyo, yun yung bilhin nyo. Ito, hindi ko to na-try. So, isa lang yung binili ko. Sana hindi siya ganun kasarap kasi isa lang. But it's only sweet potato chips naman. Meron tayo makikitang sweet potato chips dito, diba? Pag sobrang sarap niya. Ito yung nabili ko sa grocery doon sa Beach Walk. Ito na yun. Ito yung dinalawa ko kasi sabi ko, ang sarap niya. Pero tama lang siya guys. Mas gusto ko talaga yung salmon skin. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Para siyang lumpia. Tingnan. But yung loob niya is parang, ano ba yung sabi ko? Parang, ano ba yun? Shrimp paste. Bagoong, yes. Yan. So, I got 2. Okay lang din naman siya. Pero mas gusto ko yung salmon skin. Sana dinamihan ko yung salmon skin. I also got sunflower seeds from that shop. Ito yung nabili natin sa Indomart on our first night. Na-open ko na to guys. Hindi ko pa siya naubos. But it's just peanuts with seasoning ng Balinese seasoning. Or Indonesian seasoning. But masarap din naman siya. Ito, Happy Toast. Hindi ko dinamihan. Masarap yung Happy Toast actually. Yung na-try ko nito is yung spicy. Masarap siya. So, na-try ko din yung isa nito. Yung parang hindi ko alam kung anong flavor. But kinain namin yun dun sa last resort na stayhan namin. This one na lang yung natira. Gusto ko sana siyang kainin dun lahat. Kasi ang hirap i-transport ng ganitong mga chips, guys. Ito nga sana. Kung marami lang akong space sa luggage, dinamihan ko na to ng bongga. Natatakot lang ako damihan kasi natakot ako na mabasag siya, tapos bulky kasi siya. So, mahirap siyang i-biyahe. Now, itong mga to, napanalunan namin to sa time zone. Yung claw machine, may claw machine silang ganito, napanalunan namin. Hindi ko alam kung gaano to ka-sarap, but we got that. Now, back to the grocery, down sa Beach Walk, binili namin to. Now, akala ko 7 cents or 6 cents. Na buang yung conversion namin. It was like 60-something thousand and this one is like sabihin na lang natin 73,000. Akala ko, ayan, okay yan, 7 cents, 6 cents. $6 pala at $7. O, diba? Ano lang siya, playing cards. I don't really need it, but I was thinking, for 6 cents, for 7 cents, might as well. But, yeah, just playing cards na merong mga picture ng Bali. Uno na merong mga pictures ng Bali. Ayan. From the same grocery, I got these nuts. Ayan, ipang-share natin guys. Bumili ako 4. Ito yung same nuts na binili ko last time. Nagustuhan ko siya. So, bumili ako ng 4 this time. And then, ito from Indomart. Sabay ko to, nung first night natin pumunta tayong Indomart, binili ko to guys. Kasi sabi ni Manay, yung bilhin mo sa Bali, yung seasoning. I'm not sure if this is the right one. What happened? So, it's gone? The coal's gone? What happened? What do you want me to do?
I want to get them. So we have to start first.
Okay. Can you close the door, please?
Oh, yes.
Thank you. Love you. Yeah, sabi niya bumili ng seasoning na nasi goreng ba yun or mi goreng. Basta But this one is, hindi ko alam kung ito yung tinutukoy niya. But we have nasi goreng na seasoning. Bumili ako ng parang 2 spicy, tapos 4 na regular. Share natin kay Mana yung iba kung gusto niya. Kasi I'm not sure kung yan yung tinutukoy niya eh. And then, nagpunta tayo sa sari-sari store, di ba guys? Ito yung some of the stuff na nabili ko. Wala na dito lahat kasi kinainan ng mga bata yung iba. I got this. Ayan na. Ano na siya? Basag na siya guys. Hindi na siya, yan, nafe-feel ko na yung mga crumbs. But I got Oreo. Kinuha ko lang yung mga feeling ko magugustuhan ng kids dun. And then, chocolatos na ganyan, 2. Bumili ako ng ganito sa Indomart. Tapos, nakita ko siya dun sa sari-sari store. So, binili ko ulit siya. Isa na lang yung natira nila. Meron dun ibang flavor, kaya lang hindi ko kasi alam kung ano yung lasa nun. So, hindi ko na binili. And then, I got this one as well. Just random snacks from the sari-sari shop. And then, ito din. Mga sunflower seeds na maliliit lang. This was really inexpensive. It was only 3,000 rupiah. So, that's 3 cents. Sabi ko kay Dan, kumuha ka ng 5. But because na-mess up na namin yung conversion dun sa grocery, natatakot na siyang damihan. Kasi sabi niya, it's $3. Sabi ko, hindi. 3,000 is 3 cents. 30,000 is $3. Sabi ko sa kanya, kumuha ka 5. 4 lang yung kinuha. Kasi natatakot siya guys. Baka namali na naman kami sa conversion. But, yan. Maliliit. Why are you crying? Come here. What did Ate Ayla do? She hurt you? What did she do? Do you want to try some snacks? This one? Agumi. Hindi man yan bali snacks. Hindi ba ito bali snacks? Ang dami pa naming snacks na dinala ko na hindi nila nakain kasi maraming pagkain kami doon. No. What color do you want? 2? What color? Green and red?
Yes.
Or green and yellow?
Green and yellow.
Green and yellow. Do you wanna share to Ate? Oh, give this to Ate. Thank you. Yun lang yung pagkain, guys. Again, limited yung ating space. So, hindi ako masyadong makapag-bulto-bulto sa mga food. And then, meron silang Watson's dun sa Beach Walk na mall. Katabi lang siya, halos katabi lang siya ng grocery dun sa baba, sa basement. Bumili ako ng mga skincare. Ito yung gusto kong mga pinagbibili. Kaya lang, hindi ko madamihan din kasi meron din tayong limit sa ating weight. So, what I did, I got Tiger Balm plaster para sa mga katitahan, para sa ating likod na kailangan ng tulong. Kailangan ng tulong, malaking tulong. I got 2 of the cool ones. Ayan. 2 lang yung binili ko kasi alam ko magiging malamig na dito. So, perfect yung ito. Warm na plaster. Ayan. Hindi ko lang alam kung gaano ito kalaki. Dinamihan ko siya kasi gusto ko siyang i-share sa mga katitas natin, mga girls. I got lotions. So, I think Indonesian to siya na lotion. So, it's the brand Citra Natural Booster Body and Face Serum. But I would use this sa body ko lang. So, I got 2 Fresh Glow, 3 Protect Glow. I think ito na lang yung natira dun. Inubos ko yung display nila. Yan. And then, sa airport, guys, bumili kami ng, actually, meron akong kinuhang lotion from the brand Herborist. So, same brand as this. Yung lotion na may pump. Kasi naalala ko yung lotion na yon, binili ko siya last time pumunta kami ng Bali. And gamit na gamit siya kapag nag-staycation kami. Yung mga lotion na maliliit. Perfect siya pang yung mga maiikling travel lang ba. Like yung weekend, road trip, perfect siya. So, bumili ako nun. But, check out ko na siya. Sabi ni ate, saan ka papunta? Pa-Adelaide kami ate. Sabi niya, ay hindi na yan pwede. Kasi sa gate namin, meron pa din nag-check-in. Nag-check ng mga liquids. It was 145 ml. So, hindi na siya pwede. Buti na lang sinabihan ako ni ate. Ang bait ni ate. Kasi kung hindi, iiwan ko talaga yun dun guys. Kasi hindi pala siya pwede. This one is okay because it is only 80 grams. So, I got the body butter from Herborist. Naalala ko, inamoy ko to sa Chris na strawberry na body butter. Hindi ko lang siya binili kasi meron silang sample pero naubos na yung display nila. So, ito yung kinuha ko. Strawberry, ang bango-bango niyan. And then, I got the frangipani as well. Dalawang frangipani. At saka isang coconut. I think, I started with just 2 or 3. Kaya lang, bumalik ako. Kumuha ako ng more pa. Kasi nga, hindi pwede yung ibang klase na binili ko. So, dinamihan ko yan. And then, we went to the market, diba? Sa market, nakabili si Dan ng Sunnies. I think, nabili niya to ng $10. Alright, so ito yung mga nabili natin sa market. Ito yung market sa labas ng Beach Walk na mall. Doon kami nakapag-shopping, guys. So, Dan got singlets. Medyo mahal yung pagkabili namin nito kasi nga nabuang yung mga utak namin sa conversion. Hindi namin na-workout agad-agad. Dapat quick yung mind mo sa conversion. Apakadami kasing zero. So, lagi kaming nalilito. Anyway, we got Dan singlet. So, kung napapansin nyo, ito yung mga suot niya laging singlet. And that was from our previous Bali trip pa. So, sabi ko talaga, pagbalik natin ng Bali, dapat bumili ka ng marami yan. Kasi, suot-suot niya talaga lagi. So, now, he got this. And then this one. And last one, ito yung pinili niya. May tatak na Hurley. Sabi ko, wala naman yung may tatak na Hurley. Wala eh. Gusto niya piliin yan eh. So that, and then, isang maliit. We paid 400,000. So, $40. Tapos sa kabila, $6 lang yung benta ni Kuya. $6 each singlet. Wala pang tawad yun. Yun lang talaga yung presyo niya. 60,000 baht daw yung ganito. Sabi ko, tapos pwede pa natin tawadan yun. Kay ate, nag-start siya ng 600. Parang 200 each. Grabe talaga. Over talaga ka. High yung presyo kay ate.
You were doing that, mommy was doing this.
So, did you end it?
Yeah, I did.
What do you want to do? You wanna call her again?
Yeah.
Don't make a lot of noise because it is sleeping. Go to your room. And then, dun sa kuya na nagbebenta ng $6 na singlet, binilhan namin siya nito, guys. Kasi yung benta niya nito is $10 lang ata. Mas maganda din kasi yung quality din nito. So, $10 lang to. No more snake. No more. Only two.
What was this one?
Okay, I can hold it.
I'm Theo.
So, we got one for Arlo, Jordans, and one for Eileen. Jordan din. Ito lang yung nakita naming pambabae. May iba dun kaya lang apaka-loud naman ng Louis Vuitton na print. So, ito yung pinili ko for Ayla. And that's it, guys. That's it from Bali. Now, I have to put it all away. Kain muna ako. No more.
Okay, I have
No more.
a dog.
What? Hello, update. Magluluto tayo ng kangkong. So, yung kangkong na binili ni Dan last time pa, inano ko, kinat ko, tapos nilagay ko sa freezer. So, pinato ko ngayon, dalawa yan, ayan. Lutuin ko. Tapos, meron din kaming bacon na frozen kanina, tino ko din. So, I will make, siguro adobong kangkong or ginisang kangkong, hindi ko na alam. Basta lalagyan ko siya ng bacon, tapos garlic, onion, and, yeah, pampalasa mamaya. Itong maliliit na bacon is para dun sa ating kangkong. Ito naman, iserve ko kay Dan mamaya. So, yan, egg, at saka kangkong yung kanyang dinner. Kasi hindi pa nakapag-grocery shopping. Sobrang busy ni Dan. Hindi ko alam kung makakapag-grocery shopping siya today. But at least we have all this, diba? Kasi ayoko mag-take away. Unahin ko yung bacon para makakuha tayo ng oil. Ayan na guys, nandiyan na yung garlic at saka onion. Isusunod ko na ang ating kangkong. First time ko actually magluto ng ganito guys. Natin alam anong kakalabasan nito. So, nung freeze ko siya, hinugasan ko na to, tapos kinat ko na din siya para diretso na. After mato, lunod na. Oh my gosh, ang bango. Wala pa nga. Uy, ang sarap nito. Gusto ko mag-gulay shopping na naman, ha? Oh, Spider-Man? Is he okay? Lagyan ko lang konting soy sauce, tapos vegeta siguro pampalasa, and pepper. Pang pakulay ba? Guys, can you give Indy her toy? Luto na yan. Yummers. Yan yung food ni Daddy. Kawet tapos si Daddy. May appointment pala siya kanina. You had appointment today, babe. Babe.
Yeah, I
Afternoon?
had to pick up something from someone, yeah.
Yeah. Yummy hotdog, alo?